Dito na pala kami sa school ni ate. May free silang breakfast. Sino mo to, oh? Kumuha ng Weet Bix. Si ate nasa swing na eh. Ang cute ni Raika. Siya na talaga naki-breakfast dito. Is it Raika? What's in there?
Some pebbles.
So dito pala kami ni Riker sa Harbor Town. Ayan siya. He's eating strawberries. Such a good boy. Wala lang. Wala kami magawa today. Monday. So, dito kami sa seats. So, I'll just try few of these clothes. And then we have to buy some gift to Tita. Okay?
Look,
What's that?
open out.
Laro, palobat na pa mo tayo guys. Hindi pala tayo nakapag-charge. Ayan, nakabili ako ng isang dress sa seed and isang earring. Look at him. What is it? Mommy and Rika's having a lunch day. Cheers, Rika. Cheers. Wing. Cheers, where's your water? Nagkaka-order lang namin guys. We found this cafe in front of the lake. Ay. You wanna say hello or you will cheers, okay?
No,
Put it in
no,
here.
no. Then I want mommy and then no.
That's a umbrella. Or you want it open?
Yes.
But it's not sunny though. It's a bit hard to open. So me and Riker are both having pancakes. Okay? Pancakes for lunch. Riker? Oh, they can't really see you. They can't really see you, baby. Kape tayo, guys. I ordered latte. And meron silang coloring in for Riker. Whoops! You dropped it! Ayan. Lunch tayo, guys.
Mommy,
Wala
where's
kaming
my
pancake.
spoon?
Okay, I'll cut your pancake. Kain tayo, guys.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. May pasiro pa sila. Ang cute ng kanilang pancake. Is it yummy? That's good. Nakita nyo ba siya, guys? Yung umbrella ko. Sarap sana nito kung may bacon. Sweet and savory. Mama strawberry? Ang ganda ng mommy strawberry. Oh my god, eat the pancake too, okay? Ang sarap ng pancake nila.
Mommy, look at what basketball fun.
Yeah. Have you heard it? Is it basketball?
Fun. It's too big.
Oh my god, Riker.
Oh my.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, funny. Silly boy. Here, I'll put it there.
Oh,
Oh
no.
man. Oh man. Careful with your shirt. Ang ganda ng view namin, guys. The lake. Ayan, tapos na kami mag-lunch, guys. Nag-clean up lang si Riker yung pencils nila. Ayan, may playground doon, guys. Bago kami mag-grocery. Kailangan ko lang naman bumili ng mga prutas. Kaya, ang ganda dito. Ayan, dito. Hello, Rika! Whee! Oh, look, there's a car! Oh, wow! This one's nice because it's shaded then. Do you wanna go jump in the car?
Yes.
It's a bit high. Mommy will help. 1, 2, 3. Up!
I know I do daddy.
It's too dirty.
No.
Was it dirty?
Why?
Okay. Where are you going?
Mommy.
Where are you going, Raika?
Mommy, I'll go over there. Look up there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here they come.
We're here at the grocery now, guys. Raika, can you get this croissant? That one. 2, please. Thank you. One more, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's go. We'll go get some cereal. Okay, let's go some cereal. Yeah, this way. This way, baby. Hold on the trolley. You want to hold on the trolley? Okay, go. What cereal do you want? Oh, we gotta grab daddy's milk. Here, baby. Daddy's milk, te. Oh, we still have lots of Wheat Pix. Yeah, we still have lots. Can you grab this one? This daddy's milk? Thank you. You can't. Don't drop it, please. Oh, maybe put it in here. On the bigger one. Oh, we'll put it on the bigger one now. This one? Because it's heavy. Of course, Coco Pops yung pinili. Okay. Ay, katita! Riker! Hindi niya nakilala. Okay, get 2 popcorn. Get 2 popcorn for ate, please. 1. She'll like that one or the blue one? Try. Get the blue one, baby. This one? 2. Thank you. Oh, now for daddy. Oh, I think daddy requests a dark chocolate. Which one should we get for daddy?
That's mommy.
This one, baby. Just one. Oh, there's 2? Okay. Thank you. Kami guys, nakatulog si Riker. So, he's asleep right now. That's good kasi bago namin i-pick up si ate, nakatulog na siya, di ba? May parcel pala ako. Umorder ko sa Amazon. Gusto ko talaga mag-deliver ng Amazon. Bilis-bilis. So, ito yung sa camera ko lang naman. Yung cover. Siya. Doon. Exactly the same. Nang nawala ako. Ayan. So, gusto ko siya kasi, very protective, talaga siya. So, matigas lang siya sa una. Pero, okay naman siya. Ang ganda pa ng niya, texture. Bumili din ako para sa car. Same brand siya. DRC. So, sabi compatible naman to sa DJI. So, sanction siya. Ayan. Hindi ko pa alam saan part ko to ng car ilalagay. Ayan. It's like this. So, sanction lang siya. And dito ko lang ilalagay yung camera. Ito kasi yung, niya yung original na cover ng Osmo. Versus ito. So, at least protected talaga yung kanyang camera, yung lens niya. Kapag dito kasi, umiikot pa minsan yung lens. Wala lang akong holder for, unlike this one, for the mic. That's okay. I don't really use the mic. Ayan, bahay na si ate, guys. Naligo na rin yan. So, mamaya may dance trial yan ng alas 5 and then we go straight to grandma, no? We're going to grandma for dinner. What are you having? Toast. Nag-shower na rin pala sila. Ayan, nandito na rin pala si Ben. Pero nag-organize siya ng garage. So, yan. Nag-organize siya ng garahe.
Gonna put this back
Ang
here.
kalat
'cause
eh.
it's not gonna-
Yeah, bumili kasi siya ng shelving nga for the store. So, bumili na rin siya para dito sa bahay. Kasi sabi ko, ang kalat ng garage natin. And we need to organize. So, siya na muna. And then, I'll ayusin ko rin ulit yung mga iba pang gamit. Dito na pala kami guys sa dance school ni Harley. 7 dinala niya si Riker sa isa niya pang meeting. So, itag-medyas ko yan kasi bawal yung kanyang chanelas dito. We're here at Grandma's. Knock knock guys.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Hello, Grandma! Grandma, hello, guys!
Grandma! Kain tayo guys. Yum. Rose.
See all dingo.
Tingin sa
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I
They were
put
little
my
mini
Thank you, Grandma. What you gonna say?
and we just
They were-
sing along.
Good morning, Riker. Happy? What is it today? Thursday.
Fun day.
What? Fun day? Si ate nasa playroom. Si ate nandun sa playroom, guys. Walang tayo ng lunchbox. Mamaya pala kayo babiyahe sa Renmark, guys. After ng therapy ni Harley. So,
Mommy wants some more whipping.
okay. Yummy.
Shake hands, shake hands.
Safe hands. Yun yung sinasabi ko kay Harley kasi. Oh, where's the milk right now? Oh, there it is. What is it, love?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mommy, good morning.
Morning, Bobby.
Mommy, Mama.
Hmm?
Mommy, basketball.
You're wearing basketball top.
It's wet.
Excuse me. Good morning, ate. Guys, nadarap na namin si Harley. And ngayon pala ako nagpapak. Magpack lang tayo saglit. Then I have to do some work sa computer. And then baka labas tayo ni Riker. Dalhin ko siya sa playground. And I'll just have to buy some. Hindi pa ako nakabili din ng mga ano nila. Ito. Snacks. Snacks lang naman. May mga prutas pa naman ako dyan sa fridge. So, I'm gonna bring all that. Sunduin namin si Harley ng 2:15. Because her therapy is at 2:45.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah.
Ayan guys, tapos na pala ako mag-pack. And si Riker, tapos na rin daw siya mag-lunch. Ayan.
Wanna what
Hindi
is
niya nga masyado naubos eh. Yung dinner, ay yung lunch pala namin, yung dinner namin kagabi yan.
Mommy, wanna what?
Okay, I'll shower you though, because we're gonna go do some grocery, guys. Because I gotta buy some snacks and some alak. Alak. Ito na lang pala yung ipapack ko. Yung damit ni ate mamaya sa therapy niya para mag-change na lang siya doon. And yung Scrabble. Bibili din pala ako ng refills nito ng bubbles nila. Ayan. You guys, tapos na pala kami sa therapy ni ate. And she did really good today. Holly! Ayan.
Grandma.
Nandiyan pa sa kanya yung iPad niya. Yan yung communication tab niya. So anyway, we'll go home now and quickly pick up Ben and Riker. Then we can go on our road trip to Renmark. It's already 3:30. And we're up to Renmark, guys. Riker's probably gonna fall asleep because he didn't have a nap. Was he good when I left?
Yeah, good.
Holly was good. I didn't get to ask the teacher now how was she today.
Yeah.
Pero kasi nagmamadali na ako, na late na kami dun sa therapy niya. Kasi nga nag-grocery pa ako. So I normally pick her up at 2:15 sa school. Kasi 2:45 yung session niya sa therapist. And yeah, na-late lang kami ng 10 minutes. But she was fine today. So our drive is 3 hours, isn't it? Yeah, 3-hour drive. Ayan, we're stopped for some petrol, guys. Di ko alam kung nasaan na kami. Wala nakasulat no? Wala. Pero I think we're still 2 hours away. So 1 hour pa lang yung na-drive namin. Ben's just gonna get some petrol. Riker's awake, guys! Riker! Ate is happy. Ate is just laughing at him. Riker Flynn!
Well, it's funny when he wakes up.
Riker Flynn, say hi! Tawa-tawa lang si ate sa kanya. Naalis niya yung seatbelt niya. Yung saan? Arms niya.
That's the Murray River.
That's the
Very
Murray River
beautiful.
daw. And we're 1 hour away na lang, you guys. And the next ako ni Inday na may nag-check daw ng fruits dito. Hindi ko alam kasi sa last time na pumunta kami dito, hindi man kami na-check. Wala naman checkpoint. Sabi ko, anong fruits? Sabi niya yung check daw ng fruit niya kasi pang fruit fly. But normally, if it's it's the same Adelaide naman, di ba? Huh? Right? Do they still check? Yeah, akala ko pag leaving the state lang, yeah, you can't bring fruits in the other state. Pero po dito naman itong Adelaide, so I'm not sure. Sana wala, kasi ang dami ko dalang prutas. Bumili ako ng 2 strawberry, some blueberry, tapos oranges and apples for the kids. Ayun ko. Sana wala. Alam cute ni Harley, tinitwist-twist niya lang yung hair niya. Oh. Saan kaya ito banda itong checkpoint? Ito sana walang checkpoint.
Wakerina.
Wakery na kami, guys. Dalawa, naghaharutan. Sige, abutin mo yung kapatid. Hindi niya abot. Hala, ano bang inaabot mo dyan? Which one? Oh, that is t-shirt. Good job, Holly. She wanted daddy's t-shirt. Oh, blanket. Blanket siya.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could
11 minutes away, you guys. Yes? Yes, baby.
Mommy, wear white vest on.
Yeah, you're gonna wear your life vest on tomorrow. You're gonna go swimming, yeah?
Mommy, I just slide around.
Yeah. Diretso na pala kami sa restaurant. Basta kami magdi-dinner. Sakit ng ulo ko. Meron kasi ako malalang-araw ngayon. We're here, guys.
I told you
So, dito na kami sa
Fixed it right
Renmark
away.
Club.
just live
Ayan. We're here, guys. Renmark Club. Sila Race, malayo pa yata sila. Mga ano pa sila, 20 minutes. Ayan si ate. Gutom na ako. Okay? You hungry? Yung ano na pala yan, yung ano dito? Yung kwintas niyang yan kapag napapastraight siya. Yan yung pinapakagat ko sa kanya. And she gets frustrated. Ayan, we're here na guys. Nag-order na rin kami. And may free salad pala sila dito. Nakalimutan ko. Ano in-order nyo? Nag-order ako ng Caesar salad. May salad pala sila.
Nag-order ka sa salad?
Ha? Nag-order ko Caesar salad. Pero may salad din naman sila. That's Costco daw. Yeah? Yung potato salad. Tapos meron akong free cider sa aking ano, Kilpatrick. Hindi kayo nag-Kilpatrick?
Oh, hindi ko nakita kasi busy kami sa ibang ano.
Ayan na, hello guys.
Holly,
Dito
You
kami
wanna have
sa
some
umupo
bread?
kasi yung kids club nila nandyan lang.
Pa tayo doon na bag.
So nandun yung kids.
Parang siyang pork na crispy pork na may laman daw.
Ano yun? Chicharon?
Parang chicharon.
Oo. Pero malaman.
Iba dito kasi alam mo sa baka yung parang ano.
Malaman na chicharon.
Parang pork belly.
Hindi yung airy. Hindi ba yung airy? Yeah.
May laman.
Hati-hati tayo ay.
Ito, kanyang isa lang ang
Kilpatrick. Ayan. Bao buns yun sa kanila. Ano ba yung sa'yo, Day? Pork? Ah, pork. Tapos nag-order din ako ng Caesar salad. Kain tayo. Ayun si Ben. Schnitzel.
chicken nugget.
Si Harley. In-orderan ko ng grilled chicken yan. Ayan. Caesar salad, guys. Ano yung in-order mo? Waffle?
waffle
Chicken. Oh, look at that. We're here, guys. So, open ko lang to. Oh, Mozzie. Here we are, you guys. Quick before the flies get in.
Oh, the hair comes on. Yay!
Here we are. Let's find the light. Here we are. How cute is this? It's bigger than the last time we stayed in. Yeah?
Oh my gosh. Where am I gonna sleep?
Where are you gonna sleep? It's not gonna fit.
I'm on it.
So, ayan, may pa-couch kami dyan. The toilet's here, I'm assuming. Ayan. Ay, saan ba yung ilaw? Ayan. Ayan. And shower. Shower lang to. Kitchen, guys. Ayan. Dining and TV. Microwave.
I'll hug Roger to sleep.
And then he can sleep there.
And then I'll have to go there.
Okay.
Holly's excited. Why do
Ay.
you get excited with these? With these
That's our
things?
bed. That's a bedroom. 4 bunk beds. And this is oh, yung toilet separate. That's cute. And that's the main. Look at this house. Ayan, maliit lang yung bed. Hindi kami kasya dyan. Ayan. Pinapasok lang ni Ben lahat ng gamit. And I have to put all this stuff in the freezer now, guys. Kasi may isda tayo dito. Connect pa yung internet. Ayaw pa niyang ay, baka sa fridge ko na lang actually ilagay. Kasi lulutuin na pala ito. Ayan, ito pa mga pinabili natin. Bumili pala ako ng raisin toast pang breakfast ng kids. And ayan, sili. Dadaling ko ito mamaya sa accommodation nila para sa Bicol Express yan. Saging and fun chocolate. Ayan, favorite ko rin. Sana mayroong toaster. Bili ako ng snacks ng kids. Ayan. And some cracks. Ayan, kanina nga, buti na lang walang nag-check nga ng, ano ba to? Fruits. Kasi nga, ang dami ko dalang prutas, guys. And bawal pala yan.
Oh no!
that, Rika? I got some instant coffee. More fruit puffs, orange. Oh, careful, guys.
Well, I can let Hallie do that. It's a bite.
Blueberries. Yeah. Sparkling water. Ayan. Toothbrush namin ni Ben and body wash. And some, ayan, binabili ni Mana yung coconut para sa coconut cream para sa ano niya, Bicol Express. That's it. And yeah, bumili din pala ako ng Aperol Spritz. Ayan, mag-Aperol drink kami.
You love your sister, don't you?
Ayan, nagkapanjama na kami ni Riker guys kasi makikikapit bahay kami dun. Si Ben and Harley matutulog na sila. Alas 10 na kasi. Mag-alas 10 na oh. Yan si Riker natulog yan eh. Si Harley hindi yan natulog. Yeah, so dali natin ito mga pinamili natin. Eh, may dala din akong Scrabble. Pinadala nila yung Scrabble. And may dala rin akong Uno. So, kaya tayo dun sa kanila. Tinan ko muna yung map kung saan ako maglalakad guys. Sa malinis.
You want to talk?
Karan, is there a torch? Napin ko muna kung nasaan sila. Ano ba to? Malapit na naman. Okay, let's go, Riker.
Mummy might have
I have to carry 2 bags, Riker, so you gotta walk. What did you say?
Alice's house.
Arlo's house. Let's find Arlo's house. Did you say?
Alice's house.
Lakad kami dun sa bahay nila Manay.
Oh, look.
Ay, nandito na kami, guys. Nag-base pa yung mga girls. So, dito muna yung mga kalaro ko.
I got back home.
Ano na? Laro kaming Uno, guys. Okay, who's first? Itong dalawa yung kalaro ko. Okay. Oo nga eh. Dito muna yung mga kalaro ko kasi wala pa. Di pa ready.
The color's yellow. Oh my god.
Gising pa si Indy eh. Ay, ito na yung dalawang panggulo. Tingnan nyo yung dalawa ang likot. Oh, di ba? Sarap ng tulog nila eh.
You get one
Ha? Tulog din siya? Oo. Yung kaka-open lang ng wine. Pinapawi na ako ng anak ko. Gusto niya nang umuwi guys. Kaka-open lang namin ng wine. Ayan, may pa-wine na tayo. Ano oras na ba? Alas 11 na. Pero nga ba kasi nung nap naman nila?
Nabili ako nila. Ikaw mamaya ka na. Papasulit ako. Wala na to.
Tulog na si Indy. Sabi, kala ko sasalubong pa siya sa birthday mo. Thank you. Cheers!
Cheers. You're thirsty?
Cheers guys. Mamaya pa si Inday kasi kakatulog lang ni Indy oh.
This is not cold.
Inom tayo bago tayo pauwi ng ating anak. Kanina pa yaya nagyaya to. Tarap. See?
Nagpapahama ka. Gusto nga lang kitang mabusog.
Cheers. Ayun, masarap na natulog.
Lagay mo sarap. Tapos lagay mo lang. Hindi na. Hindi na. Kasi
Loading pa loading.
Hindi pa siya sabi ko.
Kanina pa siya napapauwi guys. Oh, di ba? Oh, wala pa nga sa kalahati ang ating inumin.
Mommy wanna
Cheers muna tayo guys. Cheers. Oh. Cheers, baby. Oh, wait. Silly Rika. Silly Rika and Aloy. Where's your silly face? Where's your silly face? Again, silly faces. Ang cute nila dalawa.
Is it? Yes, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
Give her a big hug and a big kiss.
Riker, Riker, see Tama Nice birthday. Can you give her a hug?
Give her a big hug.
Give her a big hug. Mga antok na yung mga
Good night. Thank you, sis.
Good night. Si Riker, pinapauwi na talaga ako. Sabi niya, I wanna go home. Kanina pa siya, I wanna go home talaga. Lalakad pa kami sa ano. Dilim.